2, 3. What's up, YouTubers? This is the Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today we're doing some 1950s Elvis Presley Jailhouse rock. Jailhouse rock. Alright, so we're in standard tuning. If you want to play along with the album, you gotta tune down the guitar to E flat and play the same thing, okay? So they're in E flat tuning. Alright, so we got the intro, classic intro. We can play it this way. We can play it this way. It sounds to me more like this. But this chord is a little bit harder. So let's learn this first. It's let's see, 6, 5, 3, 4. And then you move that up half a step. Or we can do it like this, E flat to E. So that's 6, 8, 8, 8. And move that up a half step. Alright, and then we have the rest of it. We got that bass line. Start on the 4 chord after that stuff. They start on A. So that's open A string, 4, 2, on new string, 4, 2. And then you do the same thing over E, starting on E. And then we go to the B, the 5 chord, 2, 6, 4, 6, 4. Back to A. To A. So that's that. If you want to play the chords instead of the bass, we got A7. A7, that's 2 and 2. To E7. To B7. 2, 1, 2. Especially if you're 2 guitar players, one guy can play, and the second player can play just the chords. Or another option is to play a blues, like a blues thing. Starting on the A, 2 D string to 4 D string. Same thing over E, G starting on the A string. When you get to the B, you gotta grab 2 on A, 4, and then this is quite a stretch. So that's like a power chord, and then you gotta go to 6 on the D string. Cool. That's the whole song. The intro, I mean those chords and the blues thing there. Okay, so let's review before we end the lesson. You can play the chord like this, which is a little bit hard to grab actually, but I think it sounds like that. Or you can play it here. And then we got the bass. 5, 4, 1. Or you can play the chords. Or we can do the blues thing. Elvis Presley. Thank you. Thank you very much. Alright, folks. I'll see you tomorrow with more great stuff. Be safe.